Hello, enthusiastic gamers. Looking for a killer deal? We're showing you how to build an awesome $933 gaming PC for 2025 that'll smash 1080p ultra settings and even handle some 1440p. Here's the lowdown. CPU. AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. 6 cores, 12 threads, up to 5.3 GHz. Great for smooth gaming and multitasking. GPU. Intel ARC B580. 12 GB GDDR6. Expect 60 plus FPS in demanding games like Cyberpunk and Elden Ring at 1080p Ultra. Motherboard. ASRock B650M PG Riptide Wi-Fi. Ready for future upgrades with PCIe 5.0 and speedy Wi-Fi 6E. RAM. 16 GB DDR5 6000 CL30. Fast memory for snappy performance. Storage. Team Group T-Force G51 TB NVMe SSD. Super quick loading times. Case. Zalman S2 ATX Mid Tower. Good airflow thanks to its mesh design. PSU. Corsair CX650M 650W 80 plus bronze. Dependable power supply. Cooler. Thermal Right Assassin X Refined SE RGB V2. Keeps your CPU chilled without breaking the bank. This AM5 build offers amazing value, room for upgrades, and crushes esports titles. Ready to assemble yours? Check the description for links. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.